Okay. This week assignment is conducting measurement. What kind of measurement? Wi-Fi receive signal signal strength measurement. How to conduct? First, you have to have a Wi-Fi access point or Wi-Fi, yeah, access point, yeah, Wi-Fi access point. Maybe some of you, sir, I don't have a Wi-Fi access point in your home. Impossible. Oh, impossible. Because you can set up the Wi-Fi access point from your home, from your phone, yeah, from your phone, either iPhone or Android phone. You can set up, yeah, by Wi-Fi access point. If you have a router access point, yeah, you no need to set up router access point. Yeah, like if you have a indie home, you have to router access point. And if you don't have, you can use the phone access point. Yeah, phone as a tethering, yeah, tethering. Okay, and then once you use this, and you have to write what type of the Wi-Fi access point here. For example, TP-Link, yeah, TP-Link. If you have a router access point, TP-Link with the serial number what, and then the Wi-Fi operation might be in 4 gigahertz or 5 gigahertz. Another device also already available with 5 gigahertz. You should mention this, and then you scat the geo information uh, location. For example, this one. This is the height of the access point located, yeah, in meter. For example, you put in the wall, or in top of the table, or yeah, everything. This is access point, Wi-Fi access point. And then you have to make a measurement with the several distance, 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter, 4 meter, and so on. This is D. And this measurement is not necessary indoor, but outdoor also available. Yeah. And then you have to put uh, uh, apa ya, keterangan ya. For example, there is a wall, a concrete building here in 2 point, yeah, here. For example, in 2.5 meter from the access point, and then there is a concrete building, and then for example here for 5 meter, this is maybe is like wood, yeah, wood obstruction, obstacle, or wood wall. Yeah, I'm not sure, but something like this. So you have to identify being like this, yeah. And then after that, you conduct the measurement respect to the distance. For example, at the 1 meter distance, 2 meter distance, 3 meter distance, 4 meter distance. Okay. And for example, we focus on the 1 meter or in a point in a certain distance. How to measure? You you have to take 15 sample. Yeah, for example, this is the distance is 1 meter. Uh, this is the distance of 1 meter, and there is a first sample and the second sample and the third sample, fourth sample, and so on. Yeah, you write here the RSS. For example, in dB, yeah, what we measure is SRSS. I put this is the RSS value. RSS value in dBm. Yeah. So first measurement, for example, -60. This is -61. This is -59, -61.5, something like this. Okay. You put is respect to the distance, and then this is should be after until 15 times, something like this. Okay, and then how we get the RSS value? Yeah, how we get the RSS value? Please download Wi-Fi Analyzer app. It is available for Android phone and iPhone. Yeah, and then open. Yeah, open the app, and then and then after open, and then select the symbol is, something like this, is, symbol is, and then select the signal meter. Signal meter, and then your phone will like yeah, signal meter, something like that, will appear like this. This is the in dB unit in dB. Yeah, minus something until minus something, and then you take this maybe every 2 seconds. Every 2 seconds put here, every 2 seconds put here, every 2 seconds put here, because this needle, this arrow will change randomly. This is will change randomly. Even you don't move anywhere. This arrow will change randomly, and you take every 2 seconds, and then right here, and then you conduct like this until you change the distance regularly. Yeah, 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter, and something. Okay. So yeah, that's all how to measure the RSS signal. Uh, and then you will have the data. Yeah, you will have the data in the Excel. I will let you know the Excel for you can see here my Excel. Yeah, you can see my Excel. You have to put your name, npm assignment. Yeah, this is the type access point that you use, and this is the frequency carrier. This is the receiver device that you have to use. Oh, maybe I will something. If you use a smartphone as access point, means that you require two phone. First phone for access point, and this second phone for measurement. It is not possible to use only one phone that act as access point and for measurement. So if you use this access point using tethering, you have to use two phone minimum. Yeah, and then the geo information that the height of access point, measurement location indoor or outdoor, the number of obstacle from the access point. Yeah, uh, how many, and then mention type and the distance of the obstacle. For example, concrete location in 5 meter. Yeah, from access point. Uh, concrete wall 10 meter for access point. And this is the data, yeah, that you have to taken. This is measurement data. This first column is the distance, 1 meter, 2 meter until 100 meter. But don't worry, you can, there is some skip distance. For example, from 20, 75 meter until 100 meter, you just take for 75 and 100. No need to take 76 meter, no need. Yeah, and you can see here the gap is 1 meter and 1 meter, and then 1 meter until 10 meter, and the gap become 2 meter, 2 meter, 2 meter, and then 4 meter, 5 meter, 5 meter, 10 meter, the gap. Yeah, yeah, and then this is the first measurement. Yeah, every 2 seconds here you have to write here, and then automatically average by this. And finally, the output, you have to graph two output at least. Yeah, graph one from the as a output one is the x-axis in meter, y-axis in the average RSS. So the average here, average RSS. And for the graph two is the x-axis is still distance, but y-axis in RSS, but not this, but that data this. So I put here, please use box and whisker plots instead of line plot, something like that. Okay, that's the, so the final, you have to submit this Excel in a mass. Yeah, you have to submit this Excel in a mass. Okay, that's all, and maybe I will let you know how to install. Yeah, actually, wait a moment. Wi-Fi analyzer. Yeah, Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi analyzer. Oh, mhm. I think I don't know, but no need to have a virtual background, maybe. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. No need a virtual background. So. mm, Okay. I hope you can see here my this one, the no, this one, Wi-Fi analyzer. You can use this one app, Wi-Fi analyzer, and then install. Once you successfully install, and then you can open, and then once you open, wait a moment. Once you open, and then if some of you experience the output being like this, you can tap this one, tap the gambar mata, and then signal meter. The appear will be like this. So you can select the access point at the lower part, and yeah, again, the access point should be consistent. Means that once, for example, there is an available access point. You have to choose which access point that you want to measure. Yeah, for example, in my case is stapling something something, and because this is my own, so then we can take the data from this measurement. Okay, is there any question? No? If no question, yeah, we finish our class today. The recording video will be available at AMAS. Maybe some of you that not attend yet, maybe you can watch the video, the recorded video, how to conduct the assignment. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. Stay healthy, stay protokol kesehatan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.